Example 2, solving an equation with a multiple angle. Here we're going to solve the equation sine x over 2 equals square root of 3 over 2, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 2 pi. The period of the sine function is 2 pi. So we need to find the solutions, or the solution where sine of x over 2 equals square root of 3 over 2 between 0 and 2 pi, and the easiest way to do that is to begin with our unit circle. So if you see the unit circle, we're looking for any outputs in this unit circle that give us a y value of square root of 3 over 2. So we have a y value here, square root of 3 over 2, and then we have another one here of square root of 3 over 2. So those occur at 2 pi over 3 or pi over 3. When we write our equations to represent these solutions, we need to make sure that we include both our pi over 3 and our 2 pi over 3. So we know that x over 2 is going to equal pi over 3 plus the multiple of the period, so 2n pi, or x over 2 is going to equal 2 pi over 3 plus the multiple of the period, 2n pi. Now we need to solve for x for both of these, and in order to solve for x, we need to get rid of that denominator of 2. So we have, I'm going to rewrite these. So we have to multiply both sides by 2. So on the left here, the 2's will cancel, and we'll have x equals 2 times pi over 3 is 2 pi over 3. And then 2 times 2n pi is 4n pi. And then we do the same thing over here, times 2 times 2. So x equals 4 pi over 3 plus 4n pi. So now we have two formulas that we can use to find all of our possible solutions. And we can start with n equals 0. So if we let n equal 0, we can say x equals 2 pi over 3 plus 4 times 0 pi, or x equals 4 pi over 3 plus 4 times 0 pi. Now these second terms cancel because we're multiplying 4 times 0 times pi, which all becomes 0. So we can bring down x equals 2 pi over 3 and x equals 4 pi over 3. And both of those solutions are between 0 and 2 pi, so we know that they're valid. So now let's let n equal 1. And we've got x equals 2 pi over 3 plus 4 times 1 pi. And we've got x equals 4 pi over 3 plus 4 times 1 pi. So on the left here, we've got 2 pi over 3 plus 4 times 1 times pi is just 4 pi. And we can't add those till we get a common denominator. And we would have to use a common denominator of 3. So this becomes 2 pi plus 12 pi, which is 14 pi over 3. And that is definitely greater than 2 pi. And we can also test This second one, x equals 4 pi over 3 plus 4 pi. And then if we get a common denominator, we've got 4 pi plus 12 pi, which would be 16 pi over 3, and that's also greater than 2 pi. So we can't use n equals 1. We can't use either of these solutions because they're greater than 2 pi. So the only solutions that we have here that we can use are 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3 because they are between 0 and 2 pi. So when we state our solution, we can say the solutions of sine x over 2 equals square root of 3 over 2 are 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. So notice how we tested n equals 1 to see if those solutions were viable, but we noticed that they're greater than 2 pi, so we can't use them.